When we Swiss do something, we do it right. We take a hands-on approach to ensure that our customers receive a perfect product. We do this by combining German quality, Swiss precision, attention to detail, and above all, a great deal of finesse. The results can be seen in our shower toilets, like the AquaClean Mera, which strikes a perfect balance between fascinating design and outstanding function. It features high-tech innovations such as whirl spray technology for unparalleled shower comfort. To achieve this goal, our development departments collaborate closely with the production team. We meet the highest quality standards thanks to over 40 years of experience in development and production. This experience is revealed in the technology of our shower toilets. Features such as optimized water consumption, correct temperature, and an extremely pleasant shower spray are the result of our Swiss innovativeness. Through extensive research, we have developed innovations such as Turbo Flush, which rinses the ceramic appliance extremely quietly, leaving no traces behind. When it comes to production, precision and quality are our highest priority. First, the material has to be right. That's why we homogenize raw materials for up to 2 days. Ceramic is a natural product that we process with a great deal of finesse. For us, processing involves delicate craftsmanship and the constant pursuit of perfection. The ceramic shrinks during the drying and firing process. This is yet another process that we carefully control. The color changes from pink to pure radiant white at 1200 degrees Celsius in the furnace, which is over 100 meters long. The ceramic appliances are repeatedly inspected by hand at our German production plants and at our main plant in Switzerland. This ensures that the electronic components can be installed with precision. We ensure outstanding quality through high voltage tests, fatigue tests, and many other test procedures. Our shower toilets are packaged so that they can be installed with ease and precision by a single fitter. As a result, our customers receive a perfect shower toilet, a product developed with Swiss know-how and dedication, a product manufactured and individually tested with extreme care, and one that combines design and function in every detail. Geberit AquaClean, the shower toilet.